and welcome back to the Recreateful channel. Today's video is really exciting because for the first time ever I'm actually showing my face and actually speaking to the camera. I don't know if you're new here or if you have watched any of my previous videos, but previously I have made a point of not showing my face, not even in the reveal shots, and yeah, I just thought now's the time to come up here and introduce myself to you and switch up my videos a little. I should probably introduce myself properly as well. So my name is Divia and I'm the person behind Recreateful. So yeah, I hope I'm not going to disappoint you. I can say that it is going to take me some exercise getting to use to talking to the camera because it doesn't seem very natural to sit in a room by yourself talking to a camera, imagining how other people are going to watch this. So yeah, it might take me some exercising to get better at this. But yeah, for now that's what we've got to deal with, unfortunately. Alright, yeah, so basically in today's video I would like to show you how I DIY'd this cute little purse. I've been seeing these ruched bags all over Instagram and I thought they looked quite easy to remake, so I thought why not try it out with some pleather and show you guys how to do it as well. Okay, well that's enough talking for the first video. So yeah, let's get straight into the tutorial.
First of all, I took an old bag I no longer like and take the chain off it. I used pliers to adjust the length of the chain, which actually took much more force than I expected. I had some faux leather in this cream color, which I only needed a very little bit of. I also had a matching zipper. To attach my chain to the bag, I cut out 2 strips of pleather, which were 2 by 12 cm big. I folded the sides of my strips over and sewed them down, which then looked like this. For the main part of the bag, I cut out 2 28 by 45 cm rectangles out of my pleather, and this was all the fabric that I needed. Next, I sewed both rectangles right sides together along the long side. I then feed my 2 strips through the chain and pin it to one layer of the pleather about 17 cm above the seam. I then sandwich the strips between both rectangles and sew along the sides. Next, I cut off the excess fabric. I measured and marked 6.5 cm from the side and bottom and created these squares. I marked these squares on both corners on both sides. Next, I took the 2 layers apart and folded the bag along the squares and sew along my markings. When you turn the bag right side out, it looks like this. I made this lining piece with the same steps. I then cut off the excess fabric on both pieces. Next, I placed the lining into the bag right side out and sew all along the top to attach it to the bag. I then pleated the bag by folding the top over and pinning it down until I liked the look of it. I repeated the same on the other side and made sure both sides were equally wide. When pleating the bag, I made sure the middle part is folded in both directions and the other pleats only fold into one direction. Next, I drew a straight line onto both sides of the bag as the pleating made the bag all curved. I sew a straight line along that marking to secure the pleats. I then cut off the excess fabric. Next, I attached the zipper to the bag, making sure it's right in the middle. I placed the zipper right sides onto the bag and sew it on. For the other side of the zipper, I turn the bag inside out and attach it also right sides together. And this is what the bag looked like after this. To close the ends, I turned the bag inside out and sew the bag closed where the zipper closes. The other side will remain open, and I just used some fabric glue to glue it down and have that seamless look. When using fabric glue, it's good to use clamps to hold the fabric in place whilst drying. I then cut off the excess fabric on the inner seams. Lastly, I glued the seams on the inside to the lining so they lay nice and flat. Once I glued everything down, my new ruched bag was finished. And here is the final outcome. I love this bag so much. I think it looks very elegant yet casual. This is a super easy DIY and it only took about 2 hours to make. I definitely recommend trying it out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.